Good morning, children. Today we will be doing practicals of biology of standard 9. Now first of all I will tell you how to write the practicals in your practical file. You are supposed to have a cardboard file like this, okay? Cardboard file, and then you will cover it up. Just like this, as it is done, you will cover the cardboard file, okay? Now the first page you will have the index page, okay? The index paper is there, you get in the market like this, okay? Now here you have the name, then the subject. So name you will write, then your subject you will write, that is biology practical, and the year, which year it is, 2020-2021. Class, whichever class you belong to, 9, and the section, and your roll number here you will write. After that you will write over here serial number according to the number of practicals we will do in the YouTube which is coming to you. So the first one, like we will do just now, this dissecting microscope. The second one will be compound microscope. I will tell you what are the different parts of it, but you are going to write like that. The first experiment, experiment description, you will write over here dissecting microscope. In the second one you will write compound microscope. Accordingly you will write whatever is shown to you and will be done on the blackboard, okay? Now experiment date you will write in August because it is being done for you in August. Then submission date you will write just after 1 week, you can write that. And then remarks, when you will submit, I will write the remarks. Now how to carry on, proceed with your work. Now you will get, after one page, you will get white sheet. In the market it is available, white sheet. So the white sheet will be here and the ruled papers will be here. Okay, white sheet is here, the ruled papers are this side. Oh, you have done plenty of projects in that way. So you will do it like that. Now, here you will do the drawing, okay? Here you are going to do the drawing, and here you will write what is there in the book, okay? Now for the dissecting microscope you have page 9. Page 9 in the book, it is given very well. So you are going to write about it, and then the technique of working you are going to write, and then it will end in the next page probably, or if it ends in the same page, then you will finish that and then you will submit for corrections. In the same way you will do the compound microscope. So the drawing will be here and the labeling also, everything will be done, the drawing and labeling in pencil, okay? Drawing, labeling has to be done in pencil. And here in the right side where the ruled paper is there, there you are going to write in ink. That is blue ink, blue black ink you are going to write, and headings etc. That how you want to write, make it nice and presentable, that way you are going to do, okay? So that's all about the exercise notebook, or not the notebook, the file how you are going to present and submit over here to the school. So about that first I have told you. Now I will tell you about the dissecting microscope. So this is meant for studying small insects, plants, flower parts, etc. So here you have the foot. This is known as the foot. Then this is the screw, okay, adjustment screw. Here you can lift this up and down. This is the body tube, and this is the folder arm. This is the folder arm. You can adjust it to see the object over here. This is the stage. The stage is transparent, made up of glass. Here you fit the slide, and over the slide you put the specimen, and it should be adjusted to nearly to the center. And then below is the mirror which reflects light from outside. Light it will reflect from below over the specimen. From below the light will come, and then you will be able to see the specimen nicely. But here is the lens, and the lens has to be adjusted over the specimen so that you are able to see whatever you want to see properly. And here these are the clips. Clips are meant for placing the slide properly over the stage. This is the stage. So this is all about this dissecting microscope. Now I will tell you about the second part, that is the second topic, is the compound microscope. This is the compound microscope. Okay. Now this compound microscope, it is also having a base over here. As the dissecting microscope you've learnt, this is the base. Right at the bottom is the base. Then here is the mirror. This is the mirror. From below, light will be reflected below over here, and here is the condenser. And the light passes through the condenser over the stage. This is the stage. Now over the stage, in the central part here, there is an opening. And a glass is fitted over here, so that you can keep your slide over here for viewing. Okay, this microscope has got magnification power more than 2000 times. It has got magnification power more than 2000 times. There are clips over here to fix up the slide so that the slide does not move. And whatever object you place over the slide, over that you put a cover slip. Okay, so that when you move this up and down, this is the coarse adjustment screw, and here is the fine adjustment screw. So this is the coarse adjustment screw, and here also you are having a body tube. Okay, this is the body tube, and here is the eyepiece right on top. This is the eyepiece over here, and this is the nose piece. Eyepiece, nose piece, and here in this nose piece, it can be rotated according to the magnification you want in the lenses. There are 3 types of lenses which can be adjusted over the nose piece. Okay, and from here you look into the object over here. So the mirror, the eyepiece, and the lens of the nose piece, okay, the lens of the nose piece, they all have to be in alignment. This is the arm, I am holding the arm. This is the inclination joint. You can move this up and down also. Okay, this can be moved up and down a little bit. It can be moved up and down. This is the coarse adjustment screw. With this you can move this up and down to look at the object over here through the objective over here. This is the objective lens. And this, just now I told you, this is the stage, this is the slide, this is the cover slip, and the object you want to see is over there. This is the mirror and the condenser over here, inclination joint, and here is the base. So this is about the compound microscope. So 2 systems you have learnt today, the compound microscope and the dissecting microscope. This is the compound microscope and this is the dissecting microscope. So you will prepare your files. The first topic will be dissecting microscope. Next topic will be the compound microscope. So today only this much. The next day I will proceed with other museum specimens we get from outside, from the fresh waters, from the seas, etc., and they are preserved in the laboratory for your studies. So the next day I will proceed with that. Only this much for today, children. Thank you.